so today me and my father are making the traditional sprouted green lentil fry.
Correct name pronunciation, okay? Today we are going to prepare a very delicious dish called spouted lentil fry. I will going to introduce the ingredients. The ingredients are sprouted green lentil, grated coconut, cumin seed, mustard seed, curry leaves, dry red chili, crushed garlic, chili powder, turmeric powder, chopped red onion, salt, and finally coconut oil. Crushed cumin seed with coconut. First heat the pan, then add 10 ml of coconut oil. Then add mustard seed, add curry leaves, then dry red chilies. Mix well. Crush garlic. Again saute very well. Chop red onion. Again saute around 2 to 10 seconds. Then add crushed coconut, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt. Then mix very well. After 2 minutes, we have to mix the spouted lentil. Another 2 to 3 minutes mix it. Yeah, it's almost ready now. Now I am shifting the salad into the bowl. Like that.
Okay Dad, so it looks like you are finished making the dish. So it's time to taste the food then.
Yeah.
It already looks very tasty.
I also want to taste the fry.
Wow, really tasty. The masala has its flavor and perfectly cooked.
Correct. Hi friends, please try your home, okay? And let me know your comments. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and do try to make this at your home because it's really tasty and really crunchy. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.